Our nylon fishing line is made of Japanese nylon copolymer material. It is high strength, transparent, and soft. The nylon fishing line grades are divided into XD100, XD200, XD300, XD400. The diameter is from 0.10 millimeters to 5 millimeters. For the diameter over 1.2 millimeters, it is good for the bridge line, smooth material. It is excellent breaking strength with high abrasion resistance. The premium grade monofilament fishing line has exceptional softness and transparent qualities that are required by a commercial longline fisherman.